good car. 1991 Lexus LS400. So the pavement has ended about 2 miles ago. We're out here in these hills. This is not a driveway. This is a California forest dirt highway. Gotta get this car. About an hour. Still out on this dirt road. Pretty nice view. The old stallion still going. It's gonna be nice to see if the fiberglass fender holds up on this road. And nobody's been talking shit. Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to go back on the road. It was just too damn late by the time there's the rig with the car. It was just too late by the time we finally got the car in the trailer. I was just starting to doze off, so we ended up just coming up to a motel or a hotel, Best Western. About 2:22 in the morning when we finally went to sleep. It's 8 o'clock now. Rested up, showered up. We're ready to hit the road. All right, and into the world we go. Damn, it's cold as shit out here. Well, there's a bit of a walk. So 1991 Lexus LS400. Gonna take some shit apart with the VIP package. So it has air suspension. Fucking badass. Little TLC here and there. She is gonna be sexy.